Hello, and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, we are going to be making stuffed hamburgers using this product called Stufz, S-T-U-F-Z. And it says America's Stuffed Burger, makes stuffed burgers like a pro. And so today, the type of burger I'm going to try is going to be like chicken parmesan, but instead of chicken, I'm going to be using ground turkey. And I'm going to stuff it with 4 types of Italian cheese and with Italian seasoning as well. And I'm going to coat it with a bread coating. Alright, so I do have a little friend with me today. He just hopped up behind me in the chair. This little Mr. Sprocket here. Let me show you. Sprocket. Isn't he cute? So he knows he shouldn't be in here while I'm cooking, so I will be sending him out. I'm sorry, Sprocket. But let's see how this turns out. And to tell you the truth, it came with no instructions. It just says includes 1 stuffed burger maker, and the patent is pending. So we shall see how this turns out. And also, I have you here. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. I could put a little more, probably a little bit more of both, because that salt really wasn't coming out very good. Alright, so I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. That's roughly a teaspoon. And I'm going to put a little bit of the Italian seasoning in this cheese. A little bit more. Alright. So that's the cheese that's going to go inside the turkey. So to ensure that it stays in a patty, I am going to add an egg. And then we're going to put breadcrumbs right here to cover the patties. Alright, and this too is Italian style breadcrumbs, so I think that's enough. Alright. Alright, so let's see how this works. Let's see if that should be enough. Alright. Okay, I don't think we had enough in there because I don't have sides. So let me put a little more. Feels like gushy. Okay. So it's coming out of the bottom a little bit. Okay. We still don't have the sides I thought we would have on this. Now let me go ahead and put some cheese on top of there. See if that worked. Okay, let's see how this patty looks. This patty is huge. It's huge. Look how big that is. All right, now I'm going to cover it with breadcrumbs. Okay. Alright. So let me go ahead and move this over. We'll do one more patty. I hope we have enough for one more. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and saute these and then bake them off. Alright, so I put a little olive oil into the pan and make sure it gets covered pretty good there. And I'm going to put the two patties into the pan gingerly. Alright, let me see if I can do this. Woohoo! Okay, nice little brown on there. Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Alright, lost a little of the stuffing on there, but they both got flipped over. Okay. So now, so we make sure it's done all the way through, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. Alright, so here are the two patties I made. So I cooked them first at 375. Well, first I sauteed them. And then what I did was I put them in a 375-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I turned the oven down to 350 for the remaining 10 minutes of the 25 minutes altogether. So let me go ahead and get these plated. Alright, so we have a little sauce in with this spaghetti. Alright, here Lucas. Hey Lucas, I'm almost done. You want to come try it? Alright. Spaghetti!
I love spaghetti.
Yeah, spaghetti's yummy, huh?
I can tell they're filled.
Yep.
Looks like they're on roids.
Are you extra hungry?
Yes.
Really?
This should be mine.
Alright. You want to get us some forks? Go ahead and get one out. That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Give me like a half of one.
You only want half of one?
Yeah, I want to try it first. Make sure I like
I
it.
think you'll like it.
See that forceful?
We got a little melted cheese here. Watch out, Lucas. Alright. I'm going to sprinkle a little cheese over the top. Alright, Lucas. Alright, just a little over the top.
Ew.
A little over the top. Okay, which is my fork?
This one.
Okay. Shall we try it?
Let's see, child.
Okay. So I open mine. Do you see cheese in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you can see it a little bit. But I thought it was going to be like lava pouring out. So what do you think?
It's pretty good. I like it.
Right. So Lucas likes it.
When are we gonna make that mean?
Alright. So thank you for watching Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.